Hi everyone, this is Charles Johnson from Softline Data. Today we'll be going over the ubsync Android application, specifically the feature for synchronizing your data with ubmax. As you'll see on your screen, this is the typical setup of an Android device. You'll see one icon in the upper left of my screen for ubsync. I'm going to go ahead and click on that to launch the ubsync application. This is the first page in the login information page of the ubsync application. You'll reach this page every time you launch the app. I'm using a demo user that was created for me by Softline Data. You'll see this Remember Me checkbox. As I've mentioned in previous tutorials, the Remember Me checkbox does remember both the username and password. So if this tablet is going to be used for multiple readers, you should probably not allow or discourage people from using this checkbox. Let's go ahead and log in. So after we log in, we already have some route data saved, so it goes directly to the route administrative page. And we can look and see we have one route saved that I selected from the list, and there's some data for customer information there. But for this video, I wanted to show you how do you resync your data. And you do that by going to the menu, which is these three lines in the upper left-hand corner, opening up the slide menu and go to Sync Files. When you go to Sync Files, you'll see three sections. You can sync with ubmax, or you can sync with the file system. If you choose to sync with ubmax, things become very simple for you. It's completely integrated, and everything happens with the touch of a button. First, you need to decide what route is this reader going to read. Is the reader going to read route 1, or is the reader going to read route 2, or do you want the reader to have both routes on their device? So for now, I'm going to go ahead and just leave both routes selected, and I'm going to click the Download Routes button. When you click the Download Routes button, you get this confirmation, and it's basically saying to you, hey, any readings that you have saved are going to be overwritten if you sync this file. And you can tell if you have unuploaded reads because it's listed right here for you. If this was a high number, you would probably say to yourself, uh-oh, I probably need to upload these reads before I resync to pick up any new stops that were modified in these routes. But I know that this is just a demo account and I can go ahead and run this. So I'm going to say OK. So it's going to pop up a process, and then at the bottom it'll tell you if the data was synchronized successfully, which it was in our case. Now that we have these two routes synced, let's go back to the route admin page through the menu. Now when I drop down the menu, I see two routes, route 1 and route 2. If I select route 1, I can go ahead and enter a read. And you'll see as I enter a read that the usage will pop up underneath. Get rid of the keyboard for you so you can see. If there was other information that I needed to see, such as specifics on the meters or IDs, what the previous usages were, I can just simply click on this meter information section. Similar for customer information. If I wanted to know more information, grab the customer's phone number or email, I could do that here as well. There's also a notes section, and this can be synchronized with ubmax to add notes about a reader finding maintenance needed on a meter or any other information that you'd like to capture. We'll go over this more in the next video. So that does it for this video. Remember, the sync menu is in the main menu underneath Sync Files, and as you sync your data to pick up changes in routes or stops, remember that you have to upload your reads, any pending reads, before you go and download, otherwise those will be cleared off. And that's clearly called out in this confirmation that's popped up. I hope this video helped you today. If you liked it, go ahead and click like and subscribe, and you'll be updated whenever we add new videos. Thank you, and have a great day.